Last night we had a very fun time. Met some fun people. Today we're getting our day started. Finishing our paper. We both have these annoying reports that we have to do. We're getting them done at a cool coffee shop, and then we're free.
When he gets high for the second show, I watch you dance and I watch you flow for $1.
So we're here at the Muay Thai. We got a lot of people. It's very intense, and we are not ready for that. Big dogs all around.
People are getting wrapped up. Ethan. Got a French bulldog over here. Owen's getting wrapped up back there for more time, wrapped up. We're about to spar each other. We just had some food that wasn't great. And holy hell. That was genuinely
Exhilarating, but also very
yeah, I've never sweat more. That was me. Spar, you're sparring, you're moving. Over here.
Tell me about your life in art. You tell me about the boulevard.
Just had dinner. Still barefoot. I would put on shoes all day.
Okay, so we went to this place called August. It's an Asian fusion, Thai, Indonesian, all the things. Very cheap. It was one of the original restaurants in Bangkok, which is the very never stay. And now we're at Dang Cookie, which has great lemon cookies.
Good morning. Owen and I are getting ready. As you can see, we're leaving Uluwatu, motorbiking like an hour and a half away. And then gonna take a ferry to this island and spend our next couple days there.
Look so young and you talk so old. Lighten up, babe, I might just take you home if you're lucky. You read some books and they
Just took an hour-long ride on a moped through crazy cities and stuff. Now we're here at the port, gonna catch a ferry. Getting our ferry tickets, a little chaotic. Ferry's leaving in like a second. We almost missed our ferry. Owen's now feeling too hot. Crazy times, but I think we're gonna make it.
She stares so hard at those neon lights, yeah. I swear to God, she's gonna bust them up. She's gonna bust them up.
We're renting a scooter.
Just tell me about the book.
Can you tell me real quick how to do it? Yeah.
Wait. Don't forget, standard.
You tell me about your life in
Driving on a scooter. I don't smack in the middle of this island. I don't really, but this is Fisher's never driven a scooter, nor have I, but we're learning right now.
We lost Ethan. Yeah. sunset out here, and the surf is looking really nice. I'm gonna rent a board downstairs, like literally just on the beach right there. And then they take you on a water taxi at the break because it's way out there. Unfortunately, just found out that surfing is too low tide right now. Like it's actually dangerous when it gets low. Look at this though. That's where you surf way out there. That's called shipwreck because it's a ship. Alright.
It's a huge crane.
It's not a ship.
About 8 months ago, it fell over and we're left with ship.
Yeah, you do that and then you push. No, yeah. You just turn it on and then you hold it. Is this our car? Maybe it's not.
Wait. Oh, that has to be up.
Oh! Owen and I drove into town looking to get goggles, cards, and drinks. Pulled out our cash. And it was a lot of cash we thought, but it converts to like literally $1. We literally can't afford anything right now.
Tell me all about your pretty boy.
Important.
Can you film
that
me
he like
sparring?
asked? Yeah.
It's already recorded. Alright, so we just learned the basics of Muay Thai. You go, whoo, whoo, whoo. That's 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, whoo.
You start with
1,
your left
2,
hand.
3,
You start with
4.
your